we're getting ready to go on a hike today. I've got Fanny with me and Calamity Jane, who we think she might be pregnant. We'll wait and see here. Okay, Calamity, that's nice. That's nice. Anyway, we are going to go to Clikapudi Trail. It is a hike I've done a number of times. It's out on Shasta Lake near Jones Valley, and I am really looking forward to getting out there, getting on the trail. I'm hoping to take some drone shots, so we'll see how that goes. Jeannie, you're hogging up the whole camera. What's up with that? Anyway, so Clikapudi Trail. It's going to be lots of fun. What do you think, Fanny?
It's going to be exciting and fun.
Yes. Let's have some fun. All right, we're here at the Jones Valley boat ramp. We're parking right by the trailhead, but it's actually where we're going to end the trail. And there's a sign right here for the Clikapudi Trail. It's, like I said, it's one of my favorite hikes. And so we're actually going to go on the loop. That's one of the things I like about it. It's a loop. And so we're going to go on the loop, go around counterclockwise. And it's about 7.25 miles, and it should be a nice hike out here with Janie and Fanny and myself.
Maybe someday I'll be strong. Maybe it won't be long. I'll be the one who's tough. You'll be the one who's got it rough. It won't be long, and maybe I'll be real strong.
Wow, it is absolutely amazing to be out here to see Lake Shasta and just how much it has filled up. I came out here in September of last year at the end of 2022, and there was no water at all like this in this cove. It was completely dry, and I believe it's about 22 feet from the top right now. And so it is really cool just to see all of this water, how this lake is filling up. The trail is beautiful today. The weather, it'd be nice if it was sunny, but it's okay that it's cloudy, and we're having a good time.
Maybe I'll be fast as you. Maybe I'll break hearts too. But I think that you'll slow down when your turn to hurt comes around. Maybe I'll break hearts and be as fast as you.
All right, so when you get about 1.6 miles in on this trail, you come to a fork, and there is actually a very sharp left-hand turn that you need to make. I actually missed it the first time I hiked this portion of the trail, and I went that way and not that way, and that meant that I wound up at the campground. Down the road about, I don't know, 50, 75 yards, and the remainder of the trail will be on the other side of the road. We'll go up that ridge right there and make our way down to Clikapudi Cove.
Your turn to hurt comes around. Maybe I'll break hearts and be as fast as you. Maybe I'll break hearts and be as fast as you.
We're climbing up the hill here, and one of the things that we're noticing today is the wildflowers are just starting to bloom, which I think is typically a little bit later than normal, being that it is the first week of April. We're 1 week into April, but lots of little purple flowers and yellow flowers and pink flowers. made it to the top of the ridge, and really not a bad climb up. It's an easy switchback to get to the top, but the views of the lake today are just absolutely gorgeous. We've got some dark clouds up there. Hope it doesn't rain on us. Start going downhill, getting close to the Clikapudi Trail, you just see this convergence of different tributaries and streams coming down, all flowing towards Lake Shasta. And it's just beautiful green out here right now. The leaves haven't come out yet, but it's beautiful. A nice day, really perfect for hiking. And so very much enjoying it. Janie is having a great time. She's splashing around. This is like her 4th or 5th time on this trail, and so she gets really brave. She chases after a lot of animals. She just never catches one. You'd think with all the chasing she's doing, at some point in time, she'll catch one. And then what? I don't know. Might not be a good thing.
Someday I'll be strong. Maybe it won't be long. I'll be the one who's tough. You'll be the one who's got it rough.
So just another beautiful spot here by the creek. Very nice. Got Fanny. She has been quite the trooper, keeping up with me, right?
Trying hard.
I'll start tonight. You'll learn to cry like me. Baby, let's just wait and see. Maybe I'll start tonight until things are right. You'll control me oh so boldly, rule me time free.
Okay, finally made it to the Clikapudi Cove. So much water in there right now.
Maybe I'll be fast as you. Maybe I'll break hearts too. But I think that you'll slow down when your turn to hurt comes around. Maybe I'll break hearts and be as fast as you.
When I was a little kid and would go to church, we would sing this song called Fill My Cup, Lord. Fill my cup, Lord. I lift it up, Lord. Come and cleanse this thirsting of my soul. And I remember that was a favorite song. It was used a lot during the altar service. And, you know, a lot of excitement where I live here in Redding, California, the surrounding areas regarding this lake. We had gone through a drought. The lake was extremely low. And in the matter of just one rainy season, we are seeing this lake come all the way to the top. And you know, even though it looked really bad here, this time last year, last summer, it was horrible. Where I'm standing right now, all this water behind me, it wasn't there. And yet, the water still came in. It's filling back up. Sometimes in my walk with the Lord, I feel dry. Sometimes I feel like that empty cup. You know, maybe there's a little bit of water in there, but there are those seasons when we might go through kind of spiritual droughts. But the promise from the Lord is that he's going to fill us back up. He never leaves us. He never forsakes us. He's always with us, even until the end. And so if we're going through that drought season, just know the rain's coming, the flood water's coming. God's going to supply, provide, and everything's going to be okay. just had to take note. If you see that island out there, I was here 2 weeks ago. That was not an island. That was actually, well, you could walk out to it on dry land. All right, we're at about 6.5 miles and we are definitely feeling it, aren't we, Fanny? When you go counterclockwise, when you get to about the 6 mile mark, there's a pretty steep uphill and it's long. And I actually think for whatever reason, all the elevation change is the same, but I think it's easier to go clockwise on this trail. But anyway, we're having fun and don't have very much far to go. Have seen all kinds of beautiful scenery, beautiful creeks and just streams coming down over rocks. It just has been absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you, this is a great hike. I highly recommend it. I really do think it is my favorite hike of all. We're almost home. I just got to say it again. It does my soul well. It's cloudy today, but it's about 55 degrees. It's a beautiful day for a hike. Really, Janie?